Okay, we're on. So, what's your name again? Six?
No, no.
Oh, yeah. My partner here and I, not that kind of partner,
Yeah.
are going to show you how to win a level of 2 dots.
Yep. How to win successfully.
Yes.
And you know that my dad's right because he's on level 2,343.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a 2 dots
God.
god or something like that.
Yeah.
So I'm going to start with a boost. Should I start with a boost or should I just start?
You should start with the boost.
I'll try it with a boost.
Yeah.
Might as well.
You got like what? How many of those?
You
Like,
never know what those are going to do. So I like these boosts. These are if you do, okay, I'll show you how to do it. You connect one of the sparkly ones to a regular dot.
that's what she said.
And that'll make all the dots that color disappear. And what you need to do here is you see the little rectangles. You can't see where I'm pointing, but like here, right below this blue sparkly one, you see there's a rectangle under it and one next to it. And each time you get rid of a dot next to one of those, the rectangle gets bigger. And then finally, the last stage, it sends out one of these little kind of funky eyeball looking things,
Yeah.
different colors.
Some of those QFC commercials.
And those are those make, well, I'll show you what happens, but I'm not going to use one right now. I'm going to do a square and get rid of these orangey yellow dots. And now I'm going to connect these and see there's a laser that goes all up and down that row.
A laser.
From that eye looking thing or whatever you want to call it. So that got rid of a bunch of stuff for me, which is good. I'm not quite sure exactly what to do next here.
Make those purple dots. Oh no, you have to get the eyes, those weird looking 3-eyed dudes, and then those 3. I don't even know what these things are. I'm not that advanced.
And I'm supposed to get 14 of the eyes. You see in the top, in the middle there, you've got 2 out of 44, 2 out of 14, and 3 out of 14. So I got to get 14 of those eyes. Okay, and we have 24 moves left. You see that in the upper left corner.
Yeah, and
oh yeah, also eggs. So when you connect a dot next to the eggs.
So if you get probably around when you get like 15 moves left, that means when you'll get probably like 2 stars. So I think you might get 2 stars on this, Dad.
We'll see.
Maybe.
I've never done this level, and I'm sort of not paying the most attention
level?
to my. Yeah, I haven't done this level before. So I was talking about these eggs. Here, look at this. See, there's a little orangish yellow dot right above the second egg on the right side. So if I connect those, it's going to make that egg hatch.
It's a little bird.
And you get a little chick. And then the next time you connect those dots, the chick disappears.
Yeah.
And see, we're supposed to get 14 chicks also up at the top there.
I got 6 right now.
I got 6. Now the challenging part is filling in all the dots. And see, we'd only have 2 in the bottom row in the center. There's that egg and that purple chick. So we got to get that stuff to spread all over the whole board before we're done. So I'm just going to keep squaring here. And let's see. Let's try this. Oops. And, well, I'll just do... This isn't the best strategy.
That chick flew away. No.
So I was telling my son here that one of the ways that I've been able to do a lot of levels of 2 dots is I play a lot and I just keep trying. So if I don't get this level, I will just try it again and then again and again until I get it. Oh yeah. Another thing we should talk about is look at how many boosters I have down at the bottom.
You got over 100. And a quick tip of the day. When you feel like quitting, do not quit. Yeah, you should quit quitting. That's what you should do.
Quitters who quitting aren't really quitters. Are we we're sort of like bad version of Beavis and Butthead, huh?
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, cool. All right. So I'm pretty sure I'm not going to win, so I'm just going to get through this. I think I said what I wanted to say.
So you need 44 more of those things. You're at 3.
Yeah, see,
like
I
20 more
haven't been paying too much attention to how to get my stuff down there.
That's what she said.
All right. Yeah. So we'll just finish this up, and not a very rehearsed or practiced. I guess those mean the same thing. First YouTube video of 2 dots, but you got to start somewhere, right?
Yep.
And that really kind of sucked. I got all the little eyeballs, and there's really no point in even trying here. Okay.
Whoa.
Thanks for watching.